Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 2nd of May 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay. So which country recently legalized Bitcoin as a form of currency? So the correct answer of this question is option D. So recently the Central African Republic has adopted Bitcoin as a legal tender. So Bitcoin, also known as cryptocurrency, is a decentralized currency with a peer-to-peer networking running on the decentralized ledger. So basically it does not have any regulator. So the transaction is recorded in the ledger which is automatically maintained using the algorithm of blockchain. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following organization has collaborated with INB Ministry to create short movie showcasing the role of woman change maker? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Netflix. So recently the Netflix India in collaboration with the Information and Broadcaster Ministry has released a series of short video series under an initiative called Azadi Ka Amrit Kahaniyan, highlighted the role of women achievers. As a part of the broader partnership, the global OTT platform will be conduct workshop and master classes for the skill development of Indian filmmaker. Okay, so now next question. On which day is the annual World Day of Health and Safety at Work celebrated to promote the global prevention of industrial accidents and disease? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 28th of April. So the annual World Day for Safety and Health at Work on 28th of April to promote the prevention of the occupational accident and disease globally. So the World Day for Safety and Health at Work 2022 focuses on enacting social dialogue towards the culture of safety and health. Okay, so now next question. Which firm has expanded its strategic cooperation with SBI Cards and Paytm Service Limited in order to power SBI Cards digital transformation? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that Tata Consultancy Services. So the Tata's Consultancy Services has expanded its strategic partnership with SBI Card and Payment Service Limited to power SBI Card's digital transformation. So basically the TCS has asked the SBI Card to transform its core card sourcing platform and digitalize a significant portion of the process. So the TCS has been providing service to the SBI Card for over a decade since 2008, and the new deal represents an extension of that relationship. Okay, so now move to the next question. Who is the new chairperson of the National Association Software and Service Companies? So the correct answer of this question is option A. So recently the National Association of Software and Service Companies announced the Krishnan Ramanujam, President, Enterprise Growth Group at TCS, has been appointed as its chairman for 2022 to 2023. Okay, so now move to the next question. According to the research by Stockholm International Peace Research Institute titled Trends in World Military Expenditure 2021, what is the rank of India's military spending in the world? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is third. So according to the Sweden-based think tank Stockholm International Peace Research Institute reported titled Trends in the World Military Expenditure 2021, India's military expenditure is the third highest in the world behind the US and China. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which payments bank has collaborated with IndusInd Bank to provide fixed deposit service to its customer? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Airtel Payment Bank. So the Airtel Payment Bank has partnered with IndusInd Bank to offer fixed deposit facilitate to its customer. So a customer can open rupees 500 up to rupees 1,90,000 on the Airtel Thanks app. So basically with this partnership, customer of the Airtel Payment Bank saving account will get an interest rate of up to 6.5% per annum, and the senior citizen will get additional 0.5% on all fixed deposits. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which payment bank has teamed up with the IndusInd Bank to provide customer with fixed deposit option? So the correct answer of this question is option B. So basically the Suryodaya Small Finance Bank has partnered with New York US based Crindle, an IT infrastructure service provider, for a period of 5 years. So basically the bank will partner with Crindle to drive its technology transformation program to improve operation efficiency and increase digital banking adoption among its customers as a part of 5-year transformation deal. Okay, so now next question. In intraday trading, which Indian company was the first to reach a market capitalization of rupees 90 lakh crore? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that Reliance Industries Limited. So the Reliance Industry Limited has become the first Indian company to hit rupees 90 lakh crore market valuation mark in intraday trade. So the market heavyweight stock jumped 1.85% to its record high rupees 2,827.10 during a day of BSE. So it is finally settled flat at rupees 2,777.90 as up by the 0.8%. Okay, so now next question. What is the National Monetization Pipeline budgetary target for financial year 2023? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 1.62 lakh crores. So the government of India has also notified gas pipeline to monetize. So in pursuance of the National Monetization Pipeline announced in Budget 2022, the government has added gas pipeline as well as for monetization. So this meant to grant revenue for the government brownfield project. So the National Monetization Pipeline has been able to garner 96,000 units now and is expected to earn more revenue for the government. So basically, under National Monetization Pipeline, railway, airport, waterways, etc. have been monetized with a maximum contribution of road at 27%. Okay.